Ladies and gentlemen, Ontarian Hawkins here, the passive income guru. I want to thank you for coming to this live feed today. We have a couple of special guests today. We're going to be actually interviewing one particular guest, and we're going to be talking about how she was able to turn $100 into over $2,000 in 2.5 weeks legally. Now, this is nothing that's going to, you know, it shouldn't surprise you of the vehicle that can do this. I've been talking about it for the last 2 weeks on my channel. You can probably take a good guess of what I'm going to be talking about. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. And before this video has ended, hopefully you're going to be excited to take action. You're going to be excited to take action. One thing I can tell you is this. The best thing to put because right now we're in tax season, people are getting the tax returns. And, you know, I know when I was working a 9 to 5, I couldn't wait for my tax returns because I could, you know, go out there and spend what I want to spend it on, buy this new car. But I want you to think like an entrepreneur this year, 2017. We're in a new era. And it's time to start thinking like a business owner. Now, granted, you may have some bills to take care of. Maybe you need a new car. Maybe you need new clothes or vice versa. That's okay. But take a portion of that money and make it work for you. Make it work for you. So we're going to be talking a little bit about this today on this video, and we're going to show you some numbers. And you should be excited by the time you leave this video. So make sure you share this video with your family and friends, with those who you love. Extra income and or generate a wealth building portfolio, you may want to stick around and watch and pay attention to what we're about to tell you right now. Okay, without further ado, I'm going to introduce you first to Casper. Casper, could you tell us a little bit about you, where you're from, and how long you've been in the online industry?
Hi guys, how you doing? It's my first time doing the Google Hangout, so bear with me.
Is that right? Well, hey,
Yeah, first time.
no time like the present.
All right, so I'm originally from New York, born and raised from Brooklyn, and I've been following Reginald for the past 3 years. So everything he touches, I'm in. So he presented this opportunity to me about in the middle of January, actually. So automatically it was like a no-brainer. So I joined. Um, Obviously in the beginning, everything is brand new. It's like learning a different language or whatever. So I was in demo. We started the demo, and I did the demo for maybe like 2 or 3 weeks, and then
Now, now let me I'm sorry about that, Casper. When you say now break down to people, what do you mean by demo, and what are you doing with this demo account?
Okay, so they start you off with a demo account so you can learn how to trade, but it's actually monopoly money
Gotcha.
until you get comfortable enough to actually start trading live. So I was actually on demo for a few weeks, and then I felt ready. I felt comfortable enough to trade, and I started trading, and I only started with $100, guys, $100.
Hmm.
Started with $100. It was amazing. $100, and in less than 2.5 weeks, I have made already $2,500. And I'm not telling you I'm working 10, 12, 14 hours a day like I used to in the car industry. Guys, if I tell you I work maybe 5 hours altogether, that's a lot. So I don't know who's making $2,500 in 5 hours and just getting started. I'm a newbie. I'm just getting started in this industry, and it's amazing, guys. Like I wish I could show you how excited I am about this opportunity, and I'm truly blessed. And I owe it all to Reginald. Um, he's definitely a blessing. So yeah, like this opportunity is incredible. And like I said, it doesn't take for you to put 1,000, 2,000 into your account to make it happen. Once again, I started with $100, guys. Anything more?
Wow. That's phenomenal.
It is. It is.
That's phenomenal. Now, when you say trading, what are you what platform are you trading on? Is this because there's a couple of different platforms that I know of: binary options trading, and then there's Forex. Which one are you doing?
I'm doing Forex. I'm doing foreign currency. Hmm.
Foreign currency, okay, which is what I'm doing as well. And actually, a couple of years ago, options. Now, I like Forex a lot better. It's more flexible. Binary options. Once you get into a trade, it's over. You got
I'm making
30
money right
seconds
now. I'm making money right now as I'm doing this.
to make money, right? You just
I'm
took a
making
trade.
money right now. I just took a trade maybe like 10 minutes ago, and I'm making
Uh-huh.
money. so
Yes, ma'am.
so it's
Hey,
like it's crazy.
for you guys that don't know, we use a let me show them this app here real quick. We use an app called MetaTrader 4 on our phone. Okay. Now I've showed this before. So a lot of us use this app and we take trades from our phone. Now, the good thing about this company that we're going to be telling you about is called iMarketslive. Is if you want to if you want to learn trading, if you want to master the skill, you can do that here. There's plenty of education. However, if you're busy and you don't have time to study charts and look at videos and things like that, no problem. We have something called the swipe trades. Casper, how you been liking those swipe trades?
Oh my God. Oh, can you believe just copy and pasting? That's all I'm doing. I'm copying and pasting. And as long as you follow the simple steps, you can't lose. Like this is a no-brainer.
That's right.
I'm literally getting my signals on swipe trades, and I'm copy and pasting from my swipe trades into my MetaTrader 4. And I'm just
Wow.
watching my profits grow. That's it.
That easy. It can't be that easy, Cass.
Yo,
Can't be
there's no reason for me to lie.
that.
There's no reason for me to lie. It's simple, guys. It's very, very simple. And yes, in the beginning, like you might think that it's everybody starts the same way. You're learning. It's like learning a different language. Yes, but it's doable. It's doable as long as you follow the simple steps, guys. This is this is a game changer right here. I'm telling you. Like I'm excited. I'm setting goals. Like I see like the big picture. Like it's incredible. Like I recruited my brother-in-law and my brother
Uh-huh.
yesterday. My brother-in-law is already making money on demo. He's like super excited. Like he's like, yo, I can't wait to go live. Like it's crazy.
Powerful. Powerful. So one of the things, and for you guys that don't know, she talked about Reginald. Reginald Stinson is our business partner. He's one of our top leaders in iMarkets Live, and we all have a group. Once you join in our team, on our team, you get into our group, and we're like the best way I can describe it, Cass, and we're like a big family.
I love you guys. I love
Man,
you guys.
I love it. I mean, we support each other. We encourage each other. If somebody makes $2, on their first live trade or demo, we're
We're
celebrating them.
clapping. We're clapping. Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Profit is
Because
profit, right?
yeah, profit is profit, and you know what? It's the energy in wherever opportunity you're in, and the culture is what's going to help keep people grounded. It's going to help you stay motivated and keep pushing forward. Our group is so motivating. It motivates me every single day to see people profiting every day, to see people who are sticking with this thing every single day. And I'm excited just to wake up every day just to see my business partners doing very well, with Forex. So and we have newbies all the way up to people who's never looked at a chart before,
That's me right there.
advanced, intermediate. We got every type of person and we're all winning. We're all doing pretty good. It's amazing.
And
So
since I've
go
joined,
ahead, Cass. I'm sorry.
a lot of people have joined since I started with IML.
Hmm.
And just the energy, like everyone is like, even if they're just making money on demo,
Right.
you're learning how to, and everyone is different. Some people go live in a few days or weeks. It depends. It's all on you. As long as
That's
you
right.
apply everything, that then You know, there's no excuse. There's no excuse at all. The academy, everything that they're providing for you is worth way much more than what it is now.
Exactly.
It's crazy.
Exactly. Now, I know you're excited about what I'm about to say now. Fusion Trader. Fusion Trader. For
Oh
those
my
of
God.
you, guys, we got so many products. I'm going to show you just a couple of things in just a second. But we have, if you want to learn this skill, you can do it. But if you want to have hands-free, if you want to have a professional trader in this business, I'll trade your account for you. You put the money in, go about your business, and let them trade it for you. You can do that here.
Yes.
That's called passive income. That's complete hands-free passive income. And just think, if you're compounding your account, you're not pulling money out for the next 6 to 12 months. What would your account be? I'm going to show you some numbers in just a second to show you how that happens. Okay. Now we have another guest, John. My good buddy John. We've been knowing each other for quite some time. John, tell us a little bit about yourself, my friend, and how long you've been in the industry as well, the online industry.
I've been in the online industry probably about going on 2 years, and had some, some successes here and there. But I'm looking for something that, I can really stick with and grow with. And I know in, some of your videos you mentioned learning a skill, you
Yes.
know, uh, kind of versus just, floating around out there. And so that really resonated with me, and that's what I feel like this opportunity will give me the chance to do. So I'm still, it's still the concept and everything is still new to me, but I feel like this is something that, like you said, you can learn as a skill, and it can take you forward, the rest of your life. You can use it to make money. Yeah.
Yeah, the other dimension of learning a skill as well is passing it on to your loved ones, passing it on to your children.
Right.
Uh, we're talking generational wealth here, something that you can, passing down that legacy. About, okay, I'm gonna make this quick buck here, and then I'm gonna try something else tomorrow, and that skill, whatever you want to do, and pass it along. That's what it's about, passing that along. So what I want to do right now, guys, and not going to hold you too much longer. Thank you for taking out your time to come here. I'm going to show the power of compounding real quick with just play with a couple of numbers, and I'm going to show one of our products, which is the Harmonic scanner, which is a dynamic tool we have in iMarketslive. So let me go ahead and share my screen real quick, and we'll do that. Let's see, share. Let me, guys, let me know when you see my screen.
Yeah, we see it.
You see it? Okay, great.
Yeah.
All right, the power of compounding. And we all know who said it best. Albert Einstein, years ago, he said compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't will definitely pay it. So I don't know about you guys. I know if you don't hear you're earning it right now as we speak. But there's some of you who's looking at this video. Maybe you don't understand this concept. If you don't earn compound interest, you will pay it. So I would rather earn it in the long run. So let's do some numbers. All right. Say you had, okay, now I talked about what you can do with a portion of your tax return money, not just to, not to blow it, but to actually use a portion of it and have it to work for you. Okay. So I'm going to put $500 in here. Let's be conservative. 2% a day. Now, Cass, everybody that we see in the room that I see are averaging at least 2% a day on their Forex account. Do you see that in the room?
Yes.
2% a day is not hard to do, especially with what we have here at iMarketslive. So 2% a day for 365 days, that's a year, 100% compounded, Okay, that's what that daily interest rate is. 100% compound. Now we're going to exclude the weekends. The reason for that is because the market is closed on the weekends. So I'm going to hit calculate. Can anybody guess what this would be? Like like a good guess what this is going to be in a year? You compound that.
What amount did you put? I can't really see.
I put $500.
Over $1 million, I'm sure.
Over $1 million. Let's see what it is. 688,000. So over $500,000 for sure. 688 and $704 in a year.
I'll take that.
You take it up. Me too.
With it.
$500, guys. That is mind blowing, and it shows. Check this out. It shows the numbers here, and shows the dates. If you were to invest that today, what you're going to get. It shows it all the way down to a year. Right here. All the way down. So 1,000 in there, we know that that's going to be for a whole year. $1,000, take $1,000. Folks, if you're watching this video, because of your tax return money, or if you got some savings, take $1,000, throw it in a Forex account. Let it earn 2% a day. You can use our Fusion Trader, or you can learn this skill and do it yourself, or take advantage of the swipe trades. Okay, either way you can win. Take $1,000 in over a year, guys. About a year. If you compound that 2% a day, 1,377,401. That is mind blowing. That is mind blowing.
That is insane. At first, when Reginald presented this to us, I was like, "Is this real? Like, this is crazy."
Right.
Oh,
exactly. It's crazy, ain't it? So this is real stuff. This is real numbers, guys. This is real. See, this is something that they don't teach us, since they don't teach compound interest in school.
Nope.
I never knew about it. They don't teach they teach you geometry and all that, but they don't say, okay, this is how you make your money grow. They're not going to teach you that. It's not going to happen. Okay, so it's up to us entrepreneurs to spread the word out to those, to educate and let people know this is very doable, very doable. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and go to let's talk about a little bit about the Harmonic scanner. This is another one of our tools, guys, inside of the iMarketslive. This tool right here, and matter of fact, this looks like a great setup right here. Fantastic. See that? You see that, Cass?
Yep, I love it. Beautiful.
We have to jump on this as soon as we get done here. Check out the other charts.
Yeah,
all right. Yeah, see what we got. So, because that's a beautiful setup. Okay, so the Harmonic scanner. What this tool does, it is designed to correct the market. Okay, and what it does, it scans all the pairs in the Forex exchange, in the Forex market, and it sifts out the best possible setup. Okay, as you see here, we have these parameters. We got A, B, C, D. D right here, we're looking to sell this. And here's the dynamic part of it. This tool is going to give you the entry. It's going to give you the stop loss, which is usually above the entry. Now on this one, it's not showing a stop loss, so I don't have this downloaded on my MetaTrader 4. Okay, so if you download it on the MetaTrader 4, you're going to see the stop loss above this. Okay, but I pretty much can know where I can put my stop loss. All right, so they give you the entry. Okay, there it is right there. So there's a stop right there. It popped up for me. That red line is your stop loss. The entry point is right here, 1.5188. All right, take the TP. That means take profit at that number. Take profit 2 and take profit 3. We always tell people to always be conservative and go to take profit one. Okay, now if you get to take profit one, close out. You know, they talk about partial profits and all that. Take that profit and you maybe want to open up another trade to go to take profit two. It's up to you, but I always stick with take profit number one. Okay, but this is a beautiful setup. What we see here, when you see the A, there's an A and there's a C. A and C are clear indicators of a strong support. Okay, strong support. And what's happened is price has respected those points, and you can see some reversals. When price hit those points, it reversed off of those points. So it came up, retraced a little bit, came up, retraced, and then C went all the way to D. That would have been a perfect buy right there. That is a beautiful.
Right? I'm looking at that right now.
I can't believe I missed that. All right, so now we're looking to probably sell this D. So I'm going to I may put my take profits. I mean, my entry, the entry says 1.5188. I may put my entry probably right in here, just for a confirmation that we have a strong, because I like big decision candles, and that gives me the green light to go ahead and put that trade in. So I like to put my entry a little bit below the entry of what the harmonic scanner is saying. All right, so that's just another tool, guys, what we have inside of this company. Okay, and again, Forex trading is definitely a way. Let me go ahead and close this out here. Forex trading is definitely a way for anyone, no matter your experience, to make it. Now, if you was to take on Forex trading, say, hey, I don't want to join iMarketslive, but I want to learn Forex trading. There's a lot of information out there in Forex. Oh, someone just joined us. Who's that that's just joined us there? Maria. Hey.
No, it's Jim.
Jim. What's
Yes,
up, brother? What's going on?
I couldn't get the plug-in to download on my computer.
Oh, okay. That's all right. That's all right. Glad you just joined our email, right?
Yes, sir.
I just saw your notification. Brand new customer. Welcome to the team, man.
Thank you.
Jim, tell us a little bit about you, man. Where you from, and what brought you to want to get into Forex trading?
I'm from Florida,
Okay.
and I used to drive trucks.
Just like me. I drove 18-wheelers.
Oh, okay.
Sure did.
About 2.5 years ago, I had some heart problems, and I lost my CDL.
Oh,
They
no.
put a defibrillator in my chest. So,
Really?
yes, sir. So
Oh,
they
man.
put me on disability, and I need money.
Gotcha.
So here we are.
All right, man. Well, looking forward to helping you, brother.
We could use it.
On this journey. And
Thank you.
Why Forex trading? Have you been looking at it before? Do you know anything about it, or just what's your background on that?
About a month and a half ago, me and her went to a seminar on stock trading.
Okay.
And it was interesting, and I liked it and everything, but that was about it for me. And then she was telling me about you, and she started showing me some videos. So yeah, that got me I've been studying it a little bit and trying to figure things out. Finally, I said, okay, well, got to get to it.
Definitely. Well, man, I appreciate you taking action. Stock trading is it's using a lot of the same strategies and techniques. I know for stock trading, it takes a bit more capital to get that going. So Forex trading is going to help you to get started at a much lesser investment. So you've come to the right place. You've come into the right team. I can tell you that now.
Well, I'm glad to hear that.
We're going to be here to support you to get you going off to a good start. Okay, so glad to have you, man. I'm going to be connecting with you here after this this video here.
All right, thank you.
All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. Anybody got any questions? Cass, thank you for your testimony, sister. It's confirmation to let people all around the world know. And P.S. and by the way, Forex trading is worldwide. Okay, it is in all countries. So there's no excuse. It's for everybody who wants to dig in and actually get this going and learn. So thanks for coming on, guys. Cass, John, appreciate you, man. Looking forward to
having me on.
having you on the team as well. Yeah, definitely, Cass. And look,
quick question for you, Ontarian, if you don't mind. Yeah, do you mind going into what the fusion trader is going to be a little bit? I'm new to all this, so I'm just wondering what that's going to be about.
Sure. And I'm going to be doing a because I'm going to be joining that as well. I know, Cass, I believe tomorrow is going to be live. Is that right? The fusion trader. So tomorrow the fusion trader is going to be live. Basically, so right now iMarketslive already has a auto trader called FX Signals. Okay, they've had that particular product for a while. All right. Now the difference between FX Signals and Fusion Trader is FX Signals is a more conservative type of auto trade. Now these are human beings. There's no robots. These are human beings trading your account for you. FX Signals is more. They don't trade your account every single day, but your account, when they do trade your account, it is gradually growing. Okay, so they may take one day and you may get one trade. One day you may not get any trade. So it's more conservative over time. Fusion Trader is more of an aggressive auto trader. So from what I've heard, these particular traders are going to be trading your account 3 to 5 times a day. Okay, 3 to 5 times a day, and just to shoot it out to you, you only need 1 or 2 good trades a day to make your 2% a day. 1 to 2 good trades a day, you're done. Come back and do it tomorrow. You see,
right?
So Fusion Trader is more. It's going to be more aggressive. Now, in this respect, you want to make sure you're practicing proper risk management. When you do this, okay? So this is not, Forex trading is not a get rich quick, nothing of that nature. This is about building and compounding and building wealth over time. That's what it's all about. So when you do and you decide to get a Fusion Trader, make sure you practice good risk management depending on your investment that you put into a broker. Did I answer your question, John?
Yeah, it did. Thanks.
All right, no problem, man. No problem at all. All right. Any more questions for me? You guys good?
We're good.
Did you ask me about
All right.
membership? Yeah.
You don't get one when we're done.
Oh, okay. Hi, Ontarian.
Maria. What's going on, sister? How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good. I'm doing fantastic. We meet on video.
Great.
We've always talked on Facebook.
I know, never, face to face.
Yeah, face to face, sister. Face to face. Well, looking forward to working with you and John for sure.
My husband, yeah, he wants to learn and get into the trade.
Gotcha. We're gonna get them covered, and I got some information to send to them once we get done here and everything. So.
Okay, that sounds good.
We'll get them squared away, sister. No problem.
All right. Thank you.
Guys. Well, thank you for coming on. We're going to go ahead and end it here. And what you guys can do is, if you have a YouTube channel, see, one of my best methods of getting the word out is videos. I do videos probably every day or every other day, but it's a great way to reach a lot of people. It's leverage. So like Casper, if you got a YouTube channel, you can actually use this video, because once I put all the description and everything, you can just get the YouTube link and share it on your on your YouTube channel. Same with you, John, when you join, and then same with you, Maria. You guys can use this video and, you know, for leverage. That way you have people, you can use this as testimonials, and I mean, that's what it's all about. Okay.
Awesome.
All right.
Oh, thank you so much for having us. Okay.
Yes. Thank you, sister. Thank you so much for taking out your time.
Anytime.
Time of your day. And John and Maria, thank you guys so much. Definitely. All right, guys. We'll be in touch. If you've enjoyed this video and you're ready to start trading, getting educated, get back to the person that invited you, and we'll be happy to help you get started. All right. Take care. God bless. Talk to you soon.